with a removal capacity of up to 55 pints of water per day. 120 pdd at saturation. This energy-efficient dehumidifier is ideal to dehumidify damp spaces up to 1,300 square feet, like attics, basements, crawlspace, laundry room, garages, and even commercial use. You can maintain a healthy 45% to 55% humidity range easily. The best dehumidifiers help reduce excess moisture. Protect your home. Excessive moisture in the home can result in unpleasant odors, damage to home fixtures, and cost the homeowner money and time. Choosing an Energy Star dehumidifier can deliver savings on energy bills without sacrificing performance, features, and comfort while protecting the environment by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Automatic drainage. All of us live a busy life, so we have to check whether the water tank is full, which is not in line with our priority list. AirWerx55 dehumidifier allows them to run continuously without too much attention. As this unit doesn't come with a pump, made sure to craft a solution for the drain hose that would provide a stable, it drains smoothly, and don't have to worry that sagging will cause issues. Number 2. Rare earth alloy tube evaporator. To avoid freon leakage, a fatal flaw for a dehumidifier, BaseAire has introduced rare earth alloy tube evaporator. This innovative feature extends the life of the coils by providing protection against maintaining the coil's heat transferability. Number 3. BaseAire AirWerx55 filter. The high-dense MERV8 protects internal components from damage due to dust and other particles, ensure efficient operation and long-term use. Please replace the filter once per 2 to 3 months. Number 4. Easy-to-use dehumidifier. Plug it in, set the target humidity. This smart dehumidifier will auto-stop when the set humidity level has been met and auto-restart when the room humidity raises again or even after a power interruption. This dehumidifier with a drain hose allows you to simply attach the hose to achieve self-draining by gravity. Number 5. Auto defrost and power outage restart for hassle-free operation. Auto defrost function eliminates maintenance and allows this durable room dehumidifier to use in a cold environment low to 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. This basement dehumidifier is also designed to restart in the event of a power interruption. Number 6. Ideal dehumidifier for crawl space and basement use. With the compact size and a strong handle, this portable dehumidifier is easy to carry from room to room. With a peak noise level of 52 dB, you can be worry-free to have this quiet dehumidifier running whenever and wherever you need it. Optional remote control is also a good choice for sound insulation and saving space usage. Number 7. Support. Your satisfaction is our priority. All BaseAire dehumidifiers are covered with a 5-year warranty and lifetime expert tech support, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.